Sorry, it's DJ.
According to you, what is pollution and what's the main reason that pollution is increasing?
Air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution, and one more pollution.
Importance of education and what are the loopholes in Indian education system?
Other countries, because that is only the one thing is that
started entrepreneur subject for the student. So what is the reason behind of it?
How are you? Good, and you? I'm good. And so today I'm going to tell you the game we are going to play. It is named presentation. I will call the student and the stage, and many students will ask the questions. Anurag, so the crowd, you can see the crowd. It is an audience and many students are sitting and they will ask questions, and who will come on the stage. I will call one by one and I will give 10 minutes, 5 minutes, it depends on the situation, but you will enjoy. So audience will ask the questions and presenter will reply. So without wasting the time, we should start. So
Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon. How are you guys? Good, and you? I'm also good. As you know, this is Mohit Verma in front of you, and about my education qualification. So I have completed my 12th class from CBSE, and now I am doing the course of digital marketing. So if you have any question in doubt, you can ask the question to me.
Okay, so according to you, what is pollution and what's the main reason that pollution is increasing day by day, mainly in Delhi?
So basically, pollution depends on the force. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution, and one more pollution. About the air pollution, so about air pollution is increasing day by day because of the vehicles. That you can see, like there are so many traffic in the Delhi. That is the main reason that air pollution is increasing day by day. And about the water pollution, that most of the people throw the garbage on the river. So this is the water pollution. And if I talk about the noise pollution, you can see there are so many noise. And people are and this is one kind of a noise pollution. So that's all about it.
So according to you, what the importance of education and what are the loopholes in Indian education system? If you get the chance to fix it, so how will you fix?
So basically, Indian education system is not good as compared to the other countries, because that is only the one thing is that digitalization is not here. As you know about the digitalization, I think education system depends on the digitalization, because you can see in America or Japan, you can see the digitalization is there. That is the main reason that our India does not have depends on the digitalization. I think AI should be there or a ChatGPT should be there. That is the main reason of it. I think we improve ourselves by the AI or ChatGPT. That's it.
Okay, so Mohit, you know about that many schools started entrepreneur subject for the student. So what is the reason behind of it to started this?
Yeah, most of the schools providing the entrepreneurship. That is only the one reason, the business mindset. As you see about the business mindset, there are so many that you can see, like there is no vacancy, as you know about it. At the point of time, the entrepreneurship is one kind of a business mind. How can we start the business? How can we improve our business? How can we use the optimization? Like how can we improve our business? It depends on the system that we want to improve it. That is the main reason.
So, sir, what do you think? Which kind of development that people should add in their own life?
So the development that I told that, like about the digitalization, that as you know about the AI, like artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is most important in our life. If there is a artificial intelligence, so we can say that we can do everything. Like we can search on the Google, we can get the answer in a very easily way. If with the help of the ChatGPT AI, so it's very good for us. But if I talk about the disadvantages, so as you see, the AI is snatching the job. So I think according to me, development should be there, and same like with the help of the AI, we can improve ourselves or we can develop our India.
So sir, may I know what are your opinion on dowry? Is it right or wrong, and why it is legal or illegal?
So yeah, dowry is not good. I can say like dowry is not good, because like dowry is one kind of a like bad thing. That is my mentality is that. But the dowry is bad thing, as you know about it. But to finding a person who has a handsome salary, so it's good. So dowry is not good, everyone knows about it, but finding a person who has a handsome salary, so this is not a dowry. What do you think about it? So I think according to me, if finding the person who has a handsome salary, it's good. So I think dowry should be good. That's it.
So Mohit, are you also a youth? And I want to know that why the youth are getting disturbed towards their goal, why they are having why they are having depression and all that kind of stuff,
And why they are not focusing on their goal? I want to ask.
Because the distraction is there, illusion is there. Like one more thing is that the people are not focusing on their goals, because only the one reason is that because they are finding only the one because they are thinking only that one thing. I want to purchase this and I want to purchase this, and after purchasing this they have a mentality that I want to purchase this. So that is one kind of a illusion. Just focus on the goal and focus on aim, that which types of aim that you have, and don't start as a illusion, because illusion is one kind of a chaturvya. So that is the main reason that people are getting the depression, and people are, because it depends on the, I can say that there's some financial condition that people are like suffering from the financial condition. So I can say that's all about I have.
What is a coding and how to learn a coding, and what are your experience about it?
So if I talk about the coding, so I think programming language should be there. If the programming language is there, so I think you can do the coding in a very easily way. If I talk about the JavaScript, Python, C++, we can see that there are so many programming languages, and this is very important for us. If you know about the, if you want to do the coding at the point of time, programming language is most important. If I talk about the Python, I think Python should be there to do the programming language. And if you want to do the coding, so I think you are one kind of a, I think you can do the coding in a very easily way with the help of the programming language. I think like programming language is required to do the coding. That's it.
Okay, sir. So, do you know about the DeepSeek? As I heard so many negative points about the DeepSeek. So, do you know?
Yes, basically like DeepSeek does not have any types of disadvantages. According to me, like DeepSeek is better than the ChatGPT or AI. As you see about the news, the current news is there. Like DeepSeek is better than the AI. Sometimes we can search on the sometimes we can search on the ChatGPT, and sometimes we can search on the DeepSeek. At the point of time, DeepSeek provides the better answer as compared to the ChatGPT. So we can see that DeepSeek is better than the ChatGPT or AI. So guys, if you like our video, so please just like our video, subscribe our channel, and please share our video. That's it.